Let us start with next one. That is question number 9. So the overlapping of orbitals in benzene is of the type. So usually in benzene, the overlapping of pz orbitals, takes place equally with its two neighbors, producing a circular double bond. Doughnut structure. So this structure is called as an doughnut shaped molecular orbital. So which type of orbitals are involved? Pz orbitals are involved. So which is regarded as a circular double bond doughnut shaped molecular orbital embracing all 6 carbons, and thus it has 6 pi electrons which are delocalized. So based upon this, the correct option will be regarded as option D, that is pp orbital. So actually in particular you should know it as pz orbital. So question number 10th. The calculated bond order of superoxide ion is, so superoxide ion, they have mentioned it as what? That is O2 minus. So you know the electronic configuration of O2 minus. Actually oxygen atomic number is how much? 8. So 8 plus 8, that is 16. Minus means addition of one more electron. Total how many electrons are there? 17 electrons are there. I can write it as sigma of 1s2, sigma star of 1s2, sigma of 2s2, sigma star of 2s2, sigma of 2pz2, pi of 2px2, pi of 2py2, and pi star of 2px2, and pi star of 2py1. So when I calculate the bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into bonding electrons are 10, anti-bonding electrons are 7. Hence its bond order comes out to be 1.5, which is given by the option A. Next one, question number 11. Among the following, the compound that contains ionic covalent and coordinate linkage is. So all 3 linkages are present in ammonium chloride, that is 3 times of NH. 3 nitrogen and hydrogen bonds are covalent in nature. So here covalent bond is there in ammonia. So one nitrogen and hydrogen bond is what? It is coordinate. So I will show separately. It is coordinate, and NH4 plus and Cl minus, this will be having ionic. Now a question comes, how? So ammonia, it contains what? Covalent, that is 3 NH bonds. So here what next? Here to this one more hydrogen will be added, that is lone pair of electron will be involved, that is NH4 plus contains which type of bond? Coordinate bond, and this NH4 plus and Cl minus will combine to form ionic bond. Hence the correct option is given by what? Option A, that is NH4Cl. Next one, question number 12. A covalent molecule AB3 has pyramidal structure. So here they have mentioned that it is AB3 molecule which has which structure? Pyramidal structure. So when I tell that it is a pyramidal structure, this is the representation of an pyramidal structure. So in this pyramidal structure, there is an existence of what? They have mentioned the number of lone pair and bond pair of electrons are. So when it comes to pyramidal structure, in this pyramidal structure there is an existence of one set of lone pair electron and 3 bond pair electrons. So the 3 bond pair electrons are with what? Bonding between A and B, and this is one set of lone pair which is given by the option C, that is 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. Let us continue with next one, that is question number 13. So when it comes to question number 13, it has been given as the correct statement with regard to H2 plus and H2 minus is. So first let us analyze with this. So when it comes to H2 minus, H2 minus means what? Hydrogen atomic number is 1. One more hydrogen is 1. 2. 2 plus 1, 3 electrons are there. So that the total number of electrons are 3. It is written as sigma of 1s2 and sigma star of 1s1. When I calculate the bond order is equal to 1 by 2 minus of 2 minus 1. Bond order is half. If I calculate for one more, that is H2 plus. H2 plus means the electron has been removed. Now there is only one electron. It is represented as sigma of 1s1. Therefore, bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into bonding is 1, anti-bonding is 0. Again it is what? Bond order is again 1 by 2. So here bond order for H2 plus and H2 minus is same. Even though the bond order is same, but H2 plus is more stable. H2 plus is more stable than H2 minus, as in the later an electron is present in the higher energy. So based upon this, I can understand that higher energy means which type of an orbital? It is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So by this I can clearly understand that H2 plus is more stable as compared to H2 minus, which is given by the option C. That is H2 plus is more stable than H2 minus. Next one, question number 14. So when it comes to question number 14, here it has been given as arrange the following in the increasing order of their bond order. So when it comes to oxygen molecule, in oxygen molecule, bonding molecular orbitals are 10, anti-bonding molecular orbitals are 6. If I calculate the bond order is 2. The second one is what? O2 plus. In O2 plus, bonding molecular orbital is 10. So O2 plus means removal of an electron, anti-bonding electrons will be 5. Therefore, bond order will be 2.5. And the third one is what? O2 minus. So bonding molecular orbital electrons will be same, that is 10. So anti-bonding molecular orbital O2 minus O2 means increase in electron, it will be 7. So here the bond order comes out to be 1.5. When it comes to O2 minus 2, the bonding molecular orbitals are 10 and the anti-bonding molecular orbitals are 8. Therefore, the bond order is what? 1. So by this, here they have given that arrange the following in the increasing order of their bond order. So bond order 1 is what? O2 minus 2. In the increasing order of bond order, first will be O2 minus 2, second one will be O2 minus, third one will be O2 and fourth one will be O2 plus. So this is given by the option what? Option D.